Here's a quick overview of the SDK. You have plugins, which are external plugins. There's one for Android and AsyncAwait. There could be more later in the future. If you have any conflicts, delete one of the duplicates and you should be good to go. There is Web3 Unity, and under here you have prefabs, scenes, and scripts. Prefabs is broken into ERC20s, 721s, EVMs, WebGL, etc. And to use it, all you have to do is go into one of these, drag and drop into the scene, and hit play, and you should get some logic running. To check the script, you can hit scripts here. You also have scenes. It's broken into two, one for Android, one for WebGL. This will be your first scene when you build your project. And scripts. Scripts have the logic for all of these Web3 connections. You have Web3 templates. It's broken into 2019 and 2020 here. So when you build your WebGL game, switch to the version that you're currently building on. In this case, it's 2020. Thanks.